couldn't find any of the cats. They checked the kitchen, found them sitting on the table.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Here standing in front of you all. My name is Devisha Tomar, along with Akanksha Singh from AIML Third Day. And together we are going to throw lights on a what if scenario. Like today we are going to explore a fascinating hypothetical scenario. What if animals could speak? Like now through this presentation we are also taking a stand for the protection of the animal kingdom. So have you ever looked down at your pet, say any cat or dog, and have you ever wondered what they would speak if they would say to you if they could talk? Like we although humans can talk to animals at a basic level, but generally we cannot talk to majority of the animals. But what if we could? What if animals could speak?
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Akanksha Singh and I am now going to proceed this presentation further. Okay, let's imagine a hypothetical scenario where like in the current world the animals are the silent observers. They can feel our presence, they can see us, they can see all the behavior of humans, but they can't express their thoughts, their feelings, that what they are actually feeling about ourselves, they can't express. And they are the ultimate observer that they can say that if the human creature is good or bad, like the god made us human creature, and what animals are feeling about the human creature is they are really good or bad, like they know what the pros and cons of the humans because they are experiencing us for the very long time, right? So yeah. And then let's take the example of the morning. There's a dog whose name is Max. The dog went to the kitchen and say good morning mom, and the mom was literally shocked because she never expected that animal can literally speak. So when the dog speaks, and she was literally shocked, and after some time the dog says that can we have a breakfast. Then the day went on, and every bird starts speaking, and the thing happened like this, and no one expected that animal would also speak. So yeah, finally the silence were broken. And please next slide. Okay, advantages. Improved communication. So here in this, animal can express their feelings. Like if they are suffering from any diseases, they can actually tell us that what's the real disease they have and what the kind of difficulty they are facing. They can tell us, and we can easily solve that thing. Second is that enhanced conservation. So enhanced empathy, like we know about the deeper about the animals. And the third is ethical advancement, where we know about the like for example, if we take the example of the turtle, so the turtle will tell the human, please save our ocean, don't make it dirty by throwing the plastic on that. So they are basically saying that please save our homes. And then respect for wild animals. So yeah, next slide. If animal could speak. Okay, next slide. Okay, in conclusion, when we speak, we can literally know about what their feelings are, and we can make the human and animal relation more better, and also with the nature, that we can know about the nature, and we can sustain the environmental things also. And so it will be very good if human could speak. So that is it. Thank you.